What is up, everyone? So basically, last video you guys saw was me trying to drop it off at the dealership, and they did not accept it, you know, because I was just showing up and not had an appointment for it and whatnot. But a couple of days later passed by, I let the weekend pass, and then I dropped off the car. Then afterwards they kept it for a week. The guy drove it. He actually drove it about 70 miles, exactly 70 miles, which is kind of funny. And of course they found a couple issues with the car, but they goodwilled it because technically I'm not under warranty anymore, but they're gonna goodwill it. But they told me that if they want to continue the diagnosis, they will charge me, which is weird because I told them, I was like, wouldn't it be under powertrain warranty, which is 60,000 miles, plus I have the first time owner's extended warranty for 60,000 miles. But of course when it comes down to warranty, they don't want to pay up. So they were like, well, yeah, we already give you a new engine, your key count's low, and your turbo is bad, which apparently my wastegate doesn't open up for, like, it only stays, well, it only opens up to 6 psi, which could be the issue of it. And then apparently one of my grounds were loose, and they were trying to complain to me that maybe I did all that to the car, and I'm like, one, how do I leave it stuck open and or only open to 6 psi if it was the same turbo you guys replaced and never, I guess, never double checked to see if it was good or bad, because, you know, that's just how it's been. And also, your tech is supposed to tighten everything down to spec. If he can't do that, I mean, I know people make mistakes, but come on now, you had the car for 4 months and it took you 2 weeks to put in an engine. So, you know, it's just me ranting on about it. But I did get my car back, no gas in it. I mean, the dude drove it for 70 miles. I can tell he cleared everything up of how many miles he drove it, and I know he probably didn't fill it up, or if he did, it was probably like half a tank. But if not, then the car itself is like just really bad on gas. I don't know. But yeah, basically that's the update I wanted to give to you guys about the car. I'm not happy. I mean, I'm going through with the buyback process. I decided to finally do it. I wasn't entirely sure what I was going to do, but I did go through with it just because I'm having a lot of tough times with this car. I really wish it wasn't this love-hate relationship with it. I really do wish to keep it. And I mean, there's a couple things I can do, like, oh, just get a new wastegate. I can do that, yes. If it's misfiring, maybe if it was just that, then okay, we're good to go. I already thought my plan through, and I decided, you know what? I don't want to fix the car in terms of aftermarket parts or having to do anything extra to it. I would rather just leave it as is, take my loss, and just move on to a new project. I don't want to move on to a new project just because I really love this car. But if I have to continue dealing with issues, I just, you know, it's not fun having issues with the car stock compared to having fun with the car when you know that you've modded it. Like, say if I went full bolt-ons, get up, like say I eventually have my freaking ringling blow up on me again and whatnot, fine, I will accept that mistake, that was on me. But I just can't accept that if I leave the car stock and then I start having issues, then that's where I feel bad on, you know. I don't know, maybe I didn't beat up on the car as much as everybody else does, maybe because I babied it too much, or maybe because I felt bad for the car and I wanted to keep it and appreciate it for what it was. Who knows? But yeah, at least you guys get updated on this, and just, I don't know.